Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 9th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the Kiwi dollar on the 4-hour time frame, I think, is very, very likely in an ABC pullback. I really don't think this ABC pullback is complete yet either. I think at the minimum it needs to go down as 38%. I think it potentially could go down a lot more than that, maybe even the 50 or even the 61. So until we get some sort of like a higher low or a breaker structure on this time frame, I would for sure be looking for nothing but shorts on sort of time frames. I'd like to see a nice Fibonacci bounce, nice and break a structure before I even go back to looking for longs. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame. So if that's true, that means that anything we see to the upside, just like what happened yesterday, could very easily be just another pullback within a downtrend. This actually does look like a little bit of a three-way pattern. Now it could turn into like an expanding, like in one, two, three, and then go down. But either way, as long as the 4 hour time frame doesn't break that series of lower lows, lower highs, then I personally would be doing nothing right now but looking for shorts in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.